If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can edit text in a PDF in Acrobat if its security settings allow for editing changes. To edit text in Acrobat, first open the PDF containing the text to edit. Then either click the Edit a PDF link in the All Tools panel, or click the Edit link in the top bar to show the Edit panel at the left side of the screen. Bounding boxes then appear around any editable text that exists in the PDF. Then either click and drag to select the text to edit within a text box, or click the border of the text box to select all its text. To change the content of selected text in a text box, use your keyboard keys to change it. To format selected text or a selected text box, use the buttons within the Format Text section at the top of the Edit panel. These are the same formatting options shown in the previous lesson titled Adding Formatting, Resizing, Rotating, and Moving Text. If needed, you can also resize, rotate, and move an existing text box when editing it, just as when initially creating the text box. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.